Hi there, and welcome to this video. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Save Login feature on Instagram using your Android phone. This option helps you sign in faster without typing your password every time. Follow along as I guide you. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Second, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Third, select Account Center from the menu options. Now tap on Password and Security. Scroll and tap on Save Login. Turn on the switch next to Save Login Info to enable the feature. Once this is done, Instagram will remember your login on that device. You won't need to enter your password every time you open the app, making access much faster. That's it! You've successfully enabled Save Login on Instagram. It's a simple way to stay connected quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials.